Hey my pretties, welcome back. So as you can already see, I have an advent calendar from the one and only Fabfitfun. I am super excited by this. I wanted to open it when I got it, which was 2 days ago, but as you can see, everything is still shut. I have no idea what is in this box. So of course you guys know whenever I get something like this, I have to share it with you guys. Yeah, so we're gonna open this together and see what is in here. If you are not familiar with Fabfitfun, I've always talked about them. I worked with them for so many years. They are by far the best subscription box out there. They are. Fabfitfun always sends you like full-size products from fitness, lifestyle, home stuff, like just all kind of different ranges of things. They I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about Fabfitfun in the past, and a lot of you guys are familiar with it. You probably already get a subscription, so if you do, let me know down in the comment section if you got an advent calendar. But anyways, yeah, they are amazing. If you don't want it for yourself, I used to always say to send it to a best friend, a sister, or your mother, the subscription box. That way they'll get a box every 3 months for every season, which is always fun. And you know, it's just always a gift that you can just give to somebody that you may not even know what they want, what they need, or whatever. It's always fun to get a box from Fabfitfun because it's filled with all kind of goodies. I love Fabfitfun. You guys know that. You know that. So I'm gonna quit ranting and raving. Any information about Fabfitfun, the link to them, all of that will be down below. They did send me this to let you guys know it's a special promo code, and it's going to be Holiday FFF, and that'll get you 20% off of your first box. So if you have not signed up, or you're not, you know, don't have a subscription to Fabfitfun and you're thinking about trying them out, try it. You can do the one box if you like, see if you like it, and get the 20% off your first box. And then I'm sure if you don't want to continue, you can always cancel, but give them a try. They've been around for many years. I've worked with them in the past. Love them, love them. Okay, so of course we are definitely gonna go in order. I have to sit this thing down in order for me to get everything out, but we're gonna go in order, and we're gonna start. Hold on, maybe I could just do it like this. Let's go with number 1. Hopefully I don't break a nail. Let me get something to punch this. Okay, so I got number 1. Let's see what's in here. I'm gonna tear this box up. So the first item is Laneige, or Laneige, potato. It is the Laneige brand, and it's blue hyaluronic cleansing foam. Ooh, soften, visibly smooth, and yeah, so a water bank. I love their brands. I love their products. I actually use this brand's sleeping mask on my lips at night. After I clean my face and everything, I put their sleeping mask on, and it helps to moisturize my lips through the night. So they have really good products. So this blue hyaluronic cleansing foam. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. I definitely want to try this. I've never even seen this. So this is, see what I mean? Full-size product. Yeah, so this is what was in box number 1. Okay, so number 2 is an eye mask by Grace and Stella, right here. Anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask, Grace and Stella. I haven't had any products by Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. I like the sound of that. Definitely like the sound of that. You get 6 pairs in here. It says anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. Love that. And you get 6? Okay, that's good. Let's go into 3. 3 is a little small, so let's see. Small things come, good things come in small packages, so let's see. I'm stabbing this thing with my scissors. Oh, it's by Milk Makeup. Oh, and it's called Work. You better work. Work it. Why did RuPaul just pop in my head? Okay, so this is is it a blush? It's a lip and cheek blush. So creamy sheer blush and lip color tints and hydrates. Lip and cheek. I like the color of it right there. I won't use it for my cheeks. I don't wear blush or anything like that. So this will definitely, I will try this out on my lips. I like the Milk brand. Definitely like them. Okay, so now we got to skip down here to number 4. Oh, these are cute. So in number 4, there's some little nails right here. Very cute. They're by Glamnetic. So press on nails, Starlight Short Round. Those are so cute. They're a little too small for me, but this is one of those items that you'll get, like I'll get, and I'll just pass it along maybe to my daughter or one of her friends or somebody like that, because these are so cute. I can't wear these but they're adorable. Glamnetic. So what was that? Number 4. Let's go into number 5. Okay, number 5 is, and it's still in the bubble wrap, is a palette. Ooh, Laura Geller. I've never owned one of her palettes, but it's the Laura Geller palette, and it's the Social Butterfly face palette. It wouldn't be a party without makeup. So, okay, that is the cover, and that is the colors. Like some pinks and browns. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. So you have a highlighter, a blush, you have the base, the lid. Oh, it tells you too. The base, the lid, the crease, the inner corner. It labels it for you. It has a piece of plastic over it. Inner corner, outer corner, and the line. So it gives you full directions on that. That's cool. That's really cool. And the colors are really nice. And number 6 is a Spongelle Peace Lychee Ice Body Wash Infused Buffer. And you get 5 washes out of this. So it's just one of those little sponges, little buffers. It looks like a little ornament, so you can give it to somebody as a little gift. And it looks like that, and it's just one of those little buffer sponges, and it says you can use 5 times. So every time you use it, it suds up or whatnot. And so yeah, Lychee Ice. I'm gonna keep the package on that one and give that to my daughter. I'm gonna hang that on the tree and let her have that one. Number 7 is some little earrings right here. Let me take them out the pack. These are by Marilyn Schiff right there. Very, very pretty. I like those. I recently just kind of stopped wearing my second hole earrings. Actually, I lost one. So I don't know. Although these are not real gold, they're really, really pretty. And if I just feel like I have the need to want to wear a second hole earring for the day, I would definitely throw one of these in and wear it just for a couple hours, because I can't really wear fake gold. It'll break me out. So these are cute. Very, very cute. So what number was that? That was number 7. So in number 8, we have Bioma. That's the brand, and it is a brightening serum. Boosted barrier, better skin. And it has hyaluronic acid in it. Step 1, cleanse. Step 2, tone, mist. Step 3, treat with the brightening serum. And then 4, you would moisturize. 5, it says to protect. So this is the brightening serum that you would use for those steps. And I've never used the Bioma brand. It has the glass dropper. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm excited to try this out too. I don't use too many serums, but that's another good thing about getting the Fabfitfun box, because you'll get things that you may have never tried or never even heard of, and then you can try it out and you might find something you may absolutely love, or you may not. Number 9 is this cute, is it Lily Sadoe? Lily Sadoe. I believe that's how you say it. It is a cute little headband right there. Very, very pretty. I don't know. I don't wear headbands. I have one. I have a couple, and I never wear them. I should see. I don't know. You guys think I can pull off a headband? Let's see. Let's put this on. Take this tag off. I know I got my ponytail. I feel like a big kid. Oh, it fits so good. It's like real snug. cute. It's kind of cute. Okay, I might. I might. It's got to be a mood. Like, I got to really feel like wearing a headband. It's not really my vibe, but I like that one. So I may throw that on. I might. Number 10 is the Original Coffee Scrub by Frank Body. So it says, Dear Santa, define good. That's what it says on the front. Original Coffee Scrub, the original scrub you love in an ugly sweater. So the coffee scrub is in here, and I love coffee scrubs. I usually purchase one that I always get online, but coffee scrub is good for like cellulite areas, and it's good for a lot of different reasons. We ain't gonna go into the coffee scrubs, but if you've never used one, look it up, see the benefits from it. And so yeah, so I'm definitely gonna be using this one. We have 2 more. This is number 11, and this is some heathered socks by Barefoot Dreams. So you got some real soft, cozy socks in here, which I can never have enough of. It is so cold, and I love my feet to be warm. So, and these are so, oh my goodness, so soft and stretchy. Love the gray color. So this was number 11. Number 12, the last one, is Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. You guys, I have been looking at the Amika products. Look at the packaging. Very, very pretty. Love the orange, the little detail on the top. I've been looking at the Amika products for a while, and I've heard about this Soul Food, and I've never picked it up to try it. It is a hair mask. I'm excited to try this. I'm excited to try this. Let's see. Another product that I would have been happy to get in my box. Ooh, it looks like that. It's nice and creamy and thick. Ooh, and it's a very light, kind of like light tropical scent. Almost makes me think of, like, I don't know, what did I just get from that? Mango? Maybe mango or something like that. But it's very, very, very light. So, you know, it's not gonna give me a headache. I don't like really strong like hair products, like if it's gonna last after, unless it's something really sweet. So yeah, this was number 12. I'm excited to try this. Once I take these, I'm ready to wash my hair, I'll definitely put this hair mask on and give it a try. So that is all the items in the Fabfitfun Advent calendar. I want to thank you. If any of them from Fabfitfun is watching, thank you for sending me my box. I really appreciate it. I love you guys' company. And I'm not just saying that because I have worked with them for so many years, like I said. But thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know again in the description box. Did you get an Advent calendar? Do you get Fabfitfun? Or even are you thinking about trying it out with the discount code? Don't forget 20% off your first box. Holiday FFF. And that's going to be it. So thank you all for watching. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I can't wait to bust into most of these products. Yeah, besides the little nails. But that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you real soon in my next video. Bye, guys.